Welcome to the Zapcap installation video. Before beginning the installation process, please turn off the main power at the switchboard. Open the cover and position the wall mount over the exposed wire. Mark and drill the 4 mounting holes. Remove the mount and apply silicone adhesive to the back frame for a watertight seal. Strip the wire to expose the 3 conductors. Fasten the Zapcap wall mount into the wall using screws. Connect the wires to the DTA 3000 series power point securely, then screw the outlet into the casing. Ensure the gasket holes are properly aligned with the center of the socket pinholes during installation. Apply Vaseline to the seal around the cap to prolong the life of the seal. Insert the lead into the outlet for a snug, water-resistant fit. For added security, insert a lock into the mount's lock hole. Follow all safety guidelines during installation.